Hey everyone, hi, my name is Rohit Singh, and here are we with my new batch on Advanced Azure DevSecOps course. Now, the video is all about to know more about this course, what exactly this course is, who can join this course, and if there is any prerequisite to join this course or not. Just for your information, we have already successfully completed ADP08. So I have already completed 8 batch in Azure DevSecOps. This will be my ninth. What different we have and what all things are we covering? Let's discuss about that. Now in this course, in this slide, we'll know more about me, the course highlights, the focal point, the course journey, and the course content. Now, about me, I have 12 plus years of experience. I have worked with many multinational startups and I have trained people, students offline and online. I do have my YouTube channel. I have completed various certification to name few. I'm a DevOps master. I'm a Microsoft Azure DevOps certified and etc. Okay. Now, what are the course highlights? Let's focus on that. The duration of the course will be 65 plus days, guys. As you guys know, the focus area of this course will be practical. The target audience is someone wants to switch, someone wants to take DevOps, want to move into DevOps domain, someone wants to learn DevOps from scratch. So hence it's all about practical so that you get into a DevOps job. And whenever and wherever required, we'll have 15% of theory. Okay, we do conduct weekly assignments, okay, based on whatever topics we cover. We do have mock interviews at the end of the course. That doesn't mean that throughout this course journey will not have any interview questions. I do give interview questions throughout my course. We do provide resume preparation guidance and career guidance, and if anyone require one-to-one interaction with me, even that is possible. You can reach out to the team and they will guide you back to me. Okay. Now the course will be starting from 2nd of July. Okay, the timing will be 7 a.m. to 8:15 a.m. Indian Standard Time. It will be Tuesday till Wednesday. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 4 days in a week. Okay, and we'll have a demo session on 29th of June, starting 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST. In that, you'll get more details about the course, what are the topics we are covering, what are the different projects we are covering, and things like that. Now, the focal point of this entire course is to target every domain of DevOps. Now, DevOps is not just about one or two tools. DevOps talks about configuration management, operating system, cloud services, repository management, infra as a code, pipeline as a code, containerization, orchestration, and many things. And top of it, all the related security topics. Okay, like what is unit testing, how you will integrate static analysis testing, how your repository will get secured, what are the different policies you can set up, how your CI/CD will be secure, where the secrets will be kept, how you will be integrating Vault with your CI/CD pipeline. All this will be covered. So it's not just DevOps course; it's a advanced Azure DevSecOps course. Okay. Now these are the this I'll not take much of your time in this introduction video, but the course journey. So these are the different domain and these are the different tools we'll be covering throughout this 65 days what we have. It's a pretty long course, guys. So we'll understand some basic commands of Linux. Again, we'll not deep dive into Linux. We'll understand some basic of Linux. We'll understand services related to Azure cloud, because all my deployment, everything will happen on Azure. Then we'll focus completely on Azure DevOps and all the tools within Azure DevOps, such as Azure Artifact, Azure Repos, work item management, pipeline management, test management, etc. Followed by repository management. In repository management, we'll talk about Git, and there are various other tools such as Kubernetes, Ansible, Docker, Maven, Vault, Terraform, Slack, and we got monitoring tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, And there are other monitoring tools which I'm covering in this course is Kiali and metric server. Followed by, we got some super security topic mentioned over here like Talisman, SonarQube, encode coverage, Jacoco, Helm chart, Istio service mesh. Okay. Then we got some live project like ASP.NET, Java Maven automation, SQL database automation, and there's one more project I have added like microservice, wherein we will have two-tier application setup done on Kubernetes cluster. Okay. Then, as I said, monitoring, we also have Kiali and metrics server, followed by mock interviews and resume preparation. In this course, we have also added shell scripting, basic of shell scripting, so that you get a glimpse what is shell scripting is all about. That is also what we have added. So this is all about this course. Again, the demo will be on 29th of June, morning 7 a.m. To know more about this course and to know who can be part of this course, you can just join the demo. You'll get a clear understanding about the whole course. Again, this course caters to everyone and anyone who wants to move into DevOps, who want to gain more experience into DevOps, who want to switch into a DevOps domain. This is for them. Okay. Additionally, no prerequisite required. You don't need to come from any coding background. If you have not if you don't even know the word DevOps, don't worry. The intention over here is we cover everything from scratch, starting from scratch, then we start building the one brick at a time, and we go to the very advanced topics. Okay, so hope to see you all, and thank you very much. Bye bye.